Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off notification history on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings, go to notifications. And notifications, go to advanced settings. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in advanced settings, okay, you can see the notification history. And okay guys, all you have to do is tap the notification history. And okay guys, here you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the notification history in your Samsung Galaxy A02, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on. And okay guys, to turn off again, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the notification history on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off notification history on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.